Rising above the rolling hills south of Parma, Castello di Torrechiara is one of Italy's finest preserved 15th century castles. Built between 1448 and 1460, it was created not only as a powerful fortress, but also as a romantic residence for the nobleman Pier Maria Rossi and his beloved Bianca Pellegrini. Commissioned by Pier Maria II de Rossi, the castle combined military strength with elegant living quarters. Surrounded by 3 defensive walls, 4 square towers, drawbridges, and commanding views over the Parma Valley, Torrechiara protected the Rossi family's lands while celebrating one of Italy's most famous medieval love stories. About 9 kilometers from Torrechiara stands Castello di Felino. Also once controlled by the powerful Rossi family, Felino Castle formed part of the same defensive network guarding the approaches to Parma. Approximately 7 kilometers from Torrechiara are the ruins of Rocca di Valle di Castrignano. Built to watch over the surrounding valleys, the fortress worked alongside nearby castles to strengthen the Rossi family's control of the strategic hill country during the late Middle Ages. Around 20 kilometers from Torrechiara lies Castello di Montechiarugolo. Built centuries earlier, it became another important stronghold of the Parma region, reflecting the network of castles that defended Emilia-Romagna's noble families and trade routes. Today, Castello di Torrechiara remains one of Italy's most beautiful medieval castles. Famous for its magnificent golden chamber, breathtaking hilltop setting, and timeless love story, it continues to attract visitors from around the world as a masterpiece of both military architecture and Renaissance romance.